Home prices are up 10.1% year over year on the Maryland shore and up 6.9% just from April 2022. It's Friday, June 17th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The number of homes on the shore for sale are above average for this time of year. This means that inventory is normal, not an undersupply nor an oversupply. Homes going under contract are down 18.8% from last May, so we are seeing a shift in buyer demand. This indicates the market may be moving to a more balanced market and soaring prices may begin to slow. There are 1,175 homes for sale on the shore. 127 properties are coming soon, a rise over last week. 180 came to the market since last week's report. 98 properties are temporarily off, a rise from last week. 79 properties went under contract, and this is on par with last week. 115 properties went to pending, a rise over last week. 134 properties settled in 7 days at 100% list to sold ratio. The highest sale this past week was again in Centerville for $4,800,000. Rental inventory rose to 41 for lease at $1,950 per month. These have been listed for an average of 16 days. Do you have questions about the changing market? Reach out to me to discuss what's happening in the market and how it may impact your housing position. That's the Maryland Shore Report, Friday, June 17th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.